Have you ever thought, what if WhatsApp could automatically reply to customers, send order updates, or even book appointments without you touching your phone? Sounds expensive? Actually, you can build it yourself using n8n, and in this video, I'll show you how. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, agency, startup founder, or just someone curious about AI automation, this is going to save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First, open your n8n dashboard and create a new workflow. Now, you'll need to connect WhatsApp. You can use the official WhatsApp Business API through providers like Meta Cloud API or services such as Twilio. Once your WhatsApp is connected, add a webhook or WhatsApp trigger. This will listen for every new message someone sends you. Next, add the action you want. For example, if someone sends hi, n8n can automatically reply with, "Welcome, how can I help you today?" But that's just the beginning. You can connect OpenAI to create an AI chatbot. Connect Google Sheets to save customer details automatically. Connect your CRM to create new leads. Or even connect Gmail to send follow-up emails after every WhatsApp conversation. The best part? Everything works automatically in the background, 24 hours a day. Once your workflow is ready, click Test Workflow to make sure everything is working correctly. If everything looks good, simply activate the workflow. That's it. Now every WhatsApp message can trigger powerful automations without any manual work. Imagine automatically answering FAQs, sending invoices, confirming bookings, collecting customer information, or notifying your team instantly. These are just a few examples of what's possible with n8n. If you want to learn more AI automation tutorials, n8n workflows, and productivity tools, make sure to subscribe because I upload practical tutorials that anyone can follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.